Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good evening to you all. I hope you've all had a really nice day and we have made it to the weekend. My niece's birthday party went really well. I've actually just watched the local game of rugby as well. Unfortunately, the local team didn't win, but it was really nice to watch the game, and I definitely must have been in the niece's good books this evening as she's having a sleepover as well tonight, which hopefully, fingers crossed, she'll sleep right through and it will be a good night. This evening then we are back with another close-up coins game. There's going to be 9 coins up for guessing over the course of the weekend. Get those guesses in the comment section below and let's see how many of the 9 you can guess correctly. Some of them are a little bit more difficult than others, but again I do want to try and keep it fun and exciting for everyone. And again, I'm sure most of your coin knowledges are better than mine anyway, and when we look through the answers at 6 PM on Sunday, you'll probably have got them all right. Every single time we've played this game so far, at least a couple of people have managed to get them all right. One day I'll win. I don't want to make them too difficult, but one day I will win and nobody will get them all correct at home. So again, get your 9 guesses in the comment section below. Still a few more videos to come up this evening, and hopefully if all of the kids do stay asleep, we will be able to quickly get in a coin hunt as well. Have a great weekend everyone. You've all worked hard, I'm sure, and you really do deserve it. A nice, chilled, relaxing one, and hopefully some nice coin finds as well. For those of you who are working, hopefully it isn't too bad for you all, and hopefully it isn't quite as hot than what it has been over the last few days. Stay safe, and as always guys, thanks for watching.